So yun nga guys, what's up sa inyo everyone? My name is Kelvin Christian Kamasingyan.
Used this advantageous position and his flotilla of steamships to deal one final blow to the slave raiders.
The critical demarcation point comes with the introduction of steamships, because steamships now are not dependent on the wind. They can chase a sailing ship anywhere. They can be armed with guns, and they can attack really anyone they want to.
Claverea's secret weapon put the Spaniards well ahead of the raiders. His coal-burning steamships were faster than the slave-powered raiding vessels. And better yet, the steamships were not dependent on the winds. They were better built and were able to carry a significantly more lethal battery of armaments. In short, they marked the end of the once feared navies of the Sultanates.
Every nation has untold stories hidden in archives, brewing in bias or silent by time. Readers of the Sulusi uncover one such story, being back a chapter that was once erased from the nation's memory. For decades, Philippine history textbook reduced the Moro resistance to footnotes. The South was portrayed as a region of conflict rather than courage, but this documentary rewrite that narrative to visual, expert interview, and passionate narration. Is reintroduced as the sea warriors who defined the might of empires and kept their sovereignty intact. We see how the Sulu Sultanate thrived as a center of trade and diplomacy. We learn about the brilliance of native shipbuilders who designed rivals European craftsmanship. We heard of battle fought not for conquest but for survival, where every wave carried the echoes of defiance. Readers of the Sulusi does more than entertain, it's educate, it's challenge us to see reborn colonial level and reclaim pride in your indigenous history. The film invites viewers to stand at the shore, look across the same waters, once side by warriors, and realize that their story is also yours. The documentary power lies in revelation is tell us the Filipino story did not begin with colonization. It's began with courage, and that courage born from the waves of Sulu continues to define who we are today.